Hello, this is Mrs. Dixon, and we're getting ready to start our lesson on multiplying a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So if you look quickly at our learning target, it says, I can use various strategies and algorithms to multiply up to a 4-digit by 1-digit number. And the strategy we're going to be using today is standard algorithm. Let's get started. The first thing that we want to do is set up our notes. So here is my notebook page. You can pause this video at any time, but especially when you're copying your notes, so this would be a time to pause. Let's get started with our video.
How can you multiply 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers? A wildlife center budgets $2,746 for food and veterinary expenses each month. What is the budget for food and veterinary expenses for a 3-month period? You will need to multiply 2,746 by 3. You can use the standard algorithm to multiply thousands the same way you multiply hundreds or tens.
This is a good moment to pause the video and add this problem to our notebook. Here's what my notebook looks like so far. Remember to pause the video to copy the problem. Let's continue watching the video.
What do you do first when multiplying 2,746 by 3? Step 1. Multiply the ones and regroup if needed.
Time to pause the video and get ready for some more note-taking. Here's what my notebook looks like after I wrote down step 1. Remember to pause the video so that you can copy your notes. Let's hear step 2.
Group if needed. Why do you regroup 18 ones? Three times 6 is 18, so record 8 ones and regroup 110. What is the next step?
Think about that to yourself and get ready to hear the next step.
Step 2. Multiply the tens. Add any extra tens and regroup if necessary.
Let's add this step to our notebook. Here's step 2 written in my notebook. Notice I also solved that part of the problem. I said 4 times 3 equals 12, and I added 1 that I needed to regroup, and I got 13. Then I wrote my 3 down below, and I regrouped my 1 above the 7. Pause if you need to write these notes. Let's take a look at step 3.
Is there an 11 above 2,746?
Think about that question.
No, there is one regrouped 10 and one regrouped 100. Step 3. Multiply the hundreds. Add any extra hundreds and regroup as needed. What do you do next?
Let's write that part in our notebook. Here is step 3 in our notebook. Remember to pause to write your note.